Aloha, Chef Teton here, and I want to talk about protein and energy and aging. Okay, there's probably quite a few people that would have arguments about some of the things I'm going to say. However, in the research that I've been doing, I have found that a lot of the things that we're learning, there's no evidence behind any of them. They just kind of come on as fads. And I'm not going to go deep into that because you probably already heard so much. But the protein thing, I was really studying everything I could about getting my energy back up because my energy wasn't adequate enough, even though I finally got well from the whole shingles experience. And it took me from the time I got it, which was July 4th, 1973, until July 4th, I was 73. It wasn't the year 73. Okay. It was 2017. Okay. To 2018 to 2019. Geez, Susan. Anyway, it's these years. I've never been able to go back in years very well. Took a year. Okay. So at the end of this 1 year, I still had fatigue issues. I still had them, but I don't anymore. And what I learned was my protein levels, I was encouraged to triple them. Now at the time I was probably only eating one protein-rich meal a day. And what I was told was to at least half my weight in protein. So that's what I started doing. And it was difficult because I'm not prone to protein-rich meals. I just don't choose them automatically. But on purpose, I started putting a smoothie, bone broth that had like 23 grams of protein in 1 cup, a smoothie every day, and more protein from tempeh, tofu, chicken, fish. I eat a lot of sardines, not a lot of chicken, not crazy about chicken, but I fortunately get very good grass-fed, beautiful organic meat here. And so I started putting more meat into my diet as well, which was not that easy, but I did it. I wanted to see how I would feel. And within about 3 or 4 weeks, my energy went boop, I was just right back again. And it has lasted. And so it seems to really be working for me. I have found that the protein smoothies really help, at least a couple times a day. And sometimes I just mix it with water. Because, like a glass of water or a cup of tea, I don't make a big deal out of it. You don't need to add tons of fruit and all of that, which I did not do. However, I do add dates. That's another thing I love about the medical medium diet is that certain sugars and dried fruits are actually really good for us, and they're full of vitamins and minerals and macro and major nutrients. So, I'd like you to investigate this. If anybody wants to talk about it more, I'd love to see you make a comment in the comments below. If you want to talk about it and give me a call, that would be really cool too. We can set up an appointment because I think that there is merit in this because it's worked for me. So that's all I can really say. Plus, they say as we get older, we need more protein. And I'm not quite sure why, but I think it's, because protein is the building blocks. We definitely don't want to increase a whole bunch of fat, but so far that has really proven to really rebound my energy to about half of my body weight, maybe even a little bit more. So I look forward to hearing from you. Love to hear your comments and see if you're trying to up your energy too, and if it works for you. Thanks a lot. Aloha.